We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 12 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 1 foot mesh sides. This does come with your jack coupler and safety chains, spare tire holder. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring. Has your built-in tie-down points, as well as 1 foot of mesh along the sides. Has a single axle. It's going to be a greaseable 3,500 pound axle with 15-inch wheels and tires, as well as your black diamond plate fender. This does have the dovetail rear and is fully wired with LED drive lights. Reinforced loading gate. Once again, this is our 6.4 by 12 foot dovetail utility trailer with 1 foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.